And let me, guys, any issues, any doubts, any challenges till now? Is it fine, guys? So if you are using default schema, which is DBO, no need to mention the default schema. Okay, you have to simply give dot dot. That's it, guys. Let me add Sanjeev. Sanjeev, right? You only answered right. Agree, Sanjeev?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Let me go to the server. Right. Okay, guys. So like this also you can give. Okay. Sometimes see why, because why we are saying all this, why we are discussing all these okay, ways means developers will give the scripts like this. You cannot ask, hey developer, you forgot about this schema. Okay, you have to check if it is showing DBO schema. Now no need to provide any schema name here, or else simply developers provide like this. Okay, now you cannot understand, you cannot ask developers why you give like this. Okay, you cannot ask the developers. This is another way of calling the table, guys. Complete table name is database name dot schema name dot table name. And again, you cannot ask. If you see like this, sometimes what people will ask, hey, where in on what database I have to execute this script? No need to ask. Why? Because developer directly gave like this, right? Then developer will think, okay, this guy doesn't have an idea on this. Okay, so it's very important. In case if they provided like this, no need to ask on what database I have to execute this script. Okay, in case if the provided is mentioned like this, mention the table name like this. Okay, you cannot ask what is the schema name. Just check it. If it is showing DBO is the schema name, no need to ask the schema name and all. Clear, guys? Now you can see like this. This also it will be executed successfully, and now you can see the output like this also. Clear? Any issues? Any doubts? Still now creating the table and all. Data types, is it clear, guys? Data type is nothing but, say for example, very simple, guys, our real-time example. Say for example, if you go to the shop, okay, if you go to the shop, you want to buy some items, you want to buy oil, guys, oil packet. Okay, so you are going to ask, okay, how you are going to ask? 2 kgs oil you are going to ask, or 2 liters oil you are going to ask? If you want to buy some milk, okay, how you are going to ask? 2 liters milk or 2 kgs milk, right?
2 liters, sir.
Liters.
That is
Liters.
called, okay, that
Liters.
liters, that is called, you can call it as a data type. Okay, so that is called data type. So if you want to measure some distance, okay, so from Hyderabad to Bangalore, around 600 or 700 kilometers will be there. Okay, you cannot say around what we can say 1,000 square yards will be there. You cannot mention, you cannot measure like that, right? Around 1,000 square yards will be there. You cannot measure like that. Or else around 10 what we can say 10 kgs distance will be there. We cannot mention like that. The type of data which you are going to determine the particular characteristic of the particular column, guys, that is your data type. That's it. Okay, so nothing to worry about the data type. We have different, guys. Last time what happened, DBO is the schema, Lata. Okay, schema means, I told you, right, logical architecture. In the last class we discussed it, right? In the databases we will have schema. In the schema we will have tables. So while calling, you have to provide schema name also. In which schema your table is there, you have to provide that schema name also. Database owner, DBO means database owner or database object. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, clear, guys? Any issues, any doubts, please, till now?
Sir, explain
Can we
about
give
schema.
two different databases for a single column?
Yeah. I'll tell you. Two different. What is that?
No, data type,
How it is possible? Now you only tell
So,
me how it
like
is possible.
its employee name, we can give varchar and character data type also.
Why? See, why? Yeah, anyhow, you are mentioning
Just
where
asking, sir.
that I didn't. I never tried like that. Okay, but it won't accept one data type.
What
One
will
column
happen?
will accept only one data type. Okay,
Okay.
just explore it if you have some free time. Just explore it. Right? Any
Okay.
questions, guys?
Sir, tell me about the schema, sir. What we if you don't have a scheme?
If you don't have, see, if you don't give the schema, by default it will create. That's why I did not create DBO schema before creating employee table. I did not create DBO schema before creating the student table. So it's very important that schema should have, your tables will be stored under schema logical units only. If you don't provide schema name, SQL Server will give you DBO schema. That is by default schema. It's just a container where you are going to store the tables logically.
Can't we
Okay,
see, sir?
here you can see, right? This is the schema.
No, sir. In a query.
No. You can see for if you want to see schemas, you can use custom scripts. Okay. I want to see all the schemas means you can see the custom scripts. Usually you can see like this before table name, whatever you can see that is schema name only. Schema name dot table name. Okay. Some things if I'm not concentrating means, okay, that is enough for the discussion, guys. Okay. Schemas and all, usually that's the developer's responsibility. So nothing to worry how to create schemas, or we don't create any schemas. In case if we want to create schemas also, we'll get a scripts from the developers. We'll simply execute those scripts, guys. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay. 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. I'm back. Yeah. Any questions till now? Fine. Right. Filtering the data, guys. Let's see how to filter the data. Let me open a query window. I am getting this one. Control N, right. Right. So I want to filter this data, guys. Now, if you see here, select star from employee. What is the table name?
This is a text file.
Just 1 minute. Why I'm getting this?
This is a text file, sir, not a SQL file.
Let me open this. Control N will give you style XML file default. We'll get .sql, right? This time we are getting some different things. HTML, JavaScript, XML is there.
Okay, you are pressing Control M.
Not M, Control N, right? I'm pressing Control N only.
Control M shortcut command.
No,
Okay.
no. Control N. N means new query window, new window.
Okay.
So this time it was changed. I'll check it. No issues. Okay. Right click. You can open new query window. No issues. Done. Okay. Let me close it. So now if I am opening, I just want to read the table, guys. Right? What is the query to read the table?
So select
Select
star
star,
from
right? Star means all the columns. Select star from
yes.
table name,
All
database name dot schema name dot your table name. Okay.
table.
Student or employee, whatever it is. Right? So now you can see, guys, now I want to pull a specific information, guys. For example, you're doing shopping in the Myntra. Okay, what you're going to do, guys, okay, you can see lot of clothes will be there, right? So what you are going to do, you are going to filter it. Okay, so you are going to filter, you are going to apply some filters, right? Or else, for example, you want to go to some other location using bus, red bus you are using. So in the red bus, you can see lot of filters will be there. AC bus, multi-axle bus, okay, non-AC, seater, sleeping, like this. You can apply the filters and you'll get the output, right? In the same way, we can filter the data. Guys, if you see here, if you use star command means you will get all the 5, whatever records are there, whatever columns are there in the table. Star means it will pull all the columns. If it is pulling all the columns means automatically you will get all the records information. Agree? Right. Now I want to pull a specific column, guys, or multiple columns from the table. I don't want to pull all the columns, a specific column or multiple columns. I want to filter this particular table, guys. How can I apply these filters? I want to
using where condition.
Where
no need
where
to use where condition. Just I want to pull the columns information, right? I can simply include the columns information. Select. Tell me which column you want me to pull. Employee name. Okay, I'll pull employee name. Okay, from table name, guys. What is the table name? Let me choose here database name, so that next time no need to mention all the database name. Employee. Okay, EMPLOYE. This is the table name, right? Select employee name from employee, guys. This is the table name, right? EMPLOYE. Let me choose it. Again, it is disconnected. Huh? Yeah. Okay. So now let me execute this one. So now you can see, guys, I can only see employee name column. It just filtered, guys. That's it. It hasn't deleted any columns. Don't think like that. In all the 5 columns, you are pulling employee name column. Okay. Now tell me, I want employee name column and salary column. Tell me the query, guys. I want 2 columns, employee name and salary.
Select employee name, salary.
That's it. Simply you have to mention whatever columns you want to pull. You have to simply put comma and just give the column name, guys. If you give wrong column name, it won't throw the any results. Now you can see, right? Employee name, salary. So if you use star, it will pull all the columns information. No, I need only specific column information. You have to include specific column and from table name, guys. That's it. Employee name, salary, comma. I want to pull one more information. What is that, guys? Employee ID, na? So let's go with like this. Okay, employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, salary. I want to pull 3 columns this time. Okay, you have to mention all the 3 columns. Whatever columns you want, you can simply pull those columns only. Yes, please. Any questions? Okay, done. So whatever columns you want, if you don't want a specific column, you can use star so that it will pull all the columns information. If you want a specific column, just mention the column name, select column name from employee table name. That's it. Right? So let's go like this. This time again, I'm going to execute this query. All the records I want to see, all the columns I want to see, guys. Now I want to filter a specific record, guys. To filter a specific column, we'll use this command. Agree? To filter a specific column or multiple columns, we'll use this command. I want to filter specific rows. What we are going to do? Which command we are going to do? Which command we are going to give?
We need to add where conditions.
Where condition. So for example, while doing the shopping, you will mention it as Excel or L size or S size small, small, medium, large, XL, double XL. So you are going to select the filters, right? Once you select that particular small, you can see all the cloths with a small size or medium size. Whatever filter you are going to apply, you can see all the cloths. Okay. In the same way, let's go with there the condition is where size is equal to medium, where size is equal to XL. In the same way, let's pull some information. I want to see all the employees who are working for TCS, guys. All the employees, right? All means what? Star. Select star from table name is employee. Okay. Select star from employee will pull you the information of all the employees. What is my where condition? Where organization name,
is
where organization name is equal to TCS.
TCS.
As TCS is the text, you have to keep it in this quotes, guys, single quotes. Okay. So now if you execute, how many records, guys? If you see here, how many records are there?
Two.
Two records are there.
records.
Divya and Shravan both are working for TCS. And you can see only those TCS guys. These two are TCS guys. Okay. So this is how using where condition. By using where condition, you can filter the records, guys. Where we are going to use in the organization regularly, okay, to filter the results and all, we are going to use where condition. Now tell me the command, guys. Tell me the command. I want to filter the records, all the records, okay, all the records whose salary is more than 9 lakhs. Tell me the where
Salary get the
condition.
9 lakhs, sir.
It's very simple, very simple. Select star, all the records, right? Select star. From which table I want to select? From employee. Where
Where salary is equal to
the column name is salary column. Salary greater
Salary.
than
is equal.
9 lakhs. Right? That's it. You can see how many records are there? 2 records.
Two records.
1 record. Only 1 record. 2 records are there. Madhavi, 30 lakhs, right? Let's go
It's
like
3
this.
lakhs. Only 3 lakhs.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Madhavi.
Yeah.
Okay.
No
So
issues.
yeah, it's only 1 record, guys. We have only 1 record. You can see which is Srinivas is drawing a 10 lakhs package from Accenture company. Okay. This is how we are going to apply where condition on any column you can apply. Where employee ID is equal to 5, you will get the information. Where employee ID is equal to 2, you will get the information. You know the employee ID, you want to pull the particular employee ID information. Where employee ID is equal to so and so. You can apply like this. Okay. Where employee ID is equal to 6. Okay. Now you can see there are no records.
No.
It don't throw any error, guys. We have records up to 5 only. Okay. There is no employee record 6. So if you execute this, it don't throw any error. There is no employee 6. So how you are giving this record? Okay. It don't throw, it don't scold us. Simply it will show you the blank. Okay. Only you can see the table records. Means there is no such records. Okay. To display. Okay. Employee ID greater than 3. You can see there are 2 records, employee ID greater than 3, 4 and 5 records are there. Okay, I want to see, now tell me the query. I want to pull the information who are working for Accenture company. Complete query, complete query.
Select star from employee where organization equal to Accenture.
That's it. Okay, complete correct query I want. Correct query. Correct query.
Where
Accenture in single quote.
Select the star from
Organization name.
Select org
Very
equal
good.
to
Okay.
Accenture.
Like
Inverted
this you have to
commas.
do, not organization.
is
The
equal to
column name is,
Accenture.
yeah, the
Single
column
quote.
name is org name, right? Org name you have to provide, not organization. Of course, you know that is an organization, but what is the column name? Exactly same column name you have to give, otherwise you cannot pull it. Okay, guys, any issues, any doubts in using where condition? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine, right? I hope it was fine. Is it easy or simple or difficult creating the tables, filtering the records in the table? Right? Yeah. So tomorrow's assignment is, okay, you have to create what we can do. This is the assignment for tomorrow. create employee database. Okay, in this database, create two tables. One table is, first table is employee details, like employee name, whatever details you want to include, employee details. The table name will be employee details. Whatever details you want to include, you can include the details, guys. Second one is employees. For employees, might be employees have a loans. Okay, so I want to pull all the loans. Okay, each employee having some loan, personal loan or car loan, or type of the loan you can mention as personal loan, car loan, home loan, whatever loan you want to mention. So for the employees, some loans are there. Whatever information you are going to, okay, create, or you are going to insert for loans, loan ID, employee name, loan amount, loan type, bank name, interest rate, whatever you want to include the columns, you can include the columns, okay, for the same employees. This is one assignment. Second assignment is create a student database. Okay, student database, and create two tables in the student database. One table is, okay, student details. Second table is student merit. Okay, like his marks, his ranks, okay, performance, whatever it might be, whatever you want to track it, you can track it, guys. So 4 tables, and of course each table you have to use where condition. Okay, I want 2 results, whatever you want to pull it. I want to see all the information, all the employees who took the home loan. Okay, 2 where conditions, 2 where conditions, you have to use 2 where conditions, and you have to show me the results, 2 where conditions. Okay, right? In this also, on student also, you have to apply 2 where conditions. If you apply more also, that will be happy, guys. But at least 2 where conditions, anywhere, any condition you can use it. I want to see the particular where conditions and all, and pull some information, particular columns, specific columns, using select column names where employee name is equal to, like this. Okay, so this is the assignment for tomorrow, guys. Clear? Who will complete first, you can send it to my WhatsApp, and you will get 1 reward point for this assignment. Each assignment will get 1 reward point, guys. Chalo, fine. Is that okay? Fine. Is it clear? Any issues, any doubts? No doubts.
I have one doubt. How can you create a schema, sir?
Schema, I told you, right? Create schema name. Very simple query.
Okay.
Create schema name. Whatever schema you want to give, you can give it.
But how can you
usually we don't
assign
create.
table to that schema, sir? By
While
default, it's taking DB,
creating, there is a big script, guys. You can create tables using GUI also. Let me show you that option also. Right click, new table. Okay, here also you can give, guys. Here also you can give. What is the column name? For example, veggies. Let me go like this. Veggies table I want to create. Veggie ID. One is column name. This is integer. Here you can see how many data types are there. See how many data types are there. Big int, binary, bit, char, date and time, date time offset. Okay, float, decimal, geography, geometry, hierarchy. What is this? Hierarchy ID, image, int, money, and text, numeric, real, small int, big int, small money. See how many data types are there. Okay, so I just want to use ID, right? Integer. Next column is veggie name. Okay, varchar of 50, or varchar, you can mention char. Next is cost. Okay, money. Right, done. That's it. Okay, you can close it. It will ask you to give the table name, not like this. Okay, just come on, not it was closed. I just
No.
clicked no. So let me go for a table again. Veggie ID integer. Next column is veggie name, varchar of 50. Next is cost, money. Okay, so now you can see here there is a save button. Just click on save, guys. It will ask the table name veggies. Okay, done. That's it, guys. Once you refresh, you can see the table like this. Okay, veggies, and you can open using a you can read the data using by selecting this option also. Select top 1000 rows. Okay, either you can use select star from table name. If you use select star from table name, it will pull all the columns information, so all the records you can see. But if you use select, you cannot see select all rows in this okay GUI. Hardly you will get select top 1000 rows. Even though in your table 1 lakh records also there, if you choose this option, first 1000 rows only you can give. I want to edit this, sir. You can edit it. I want to change this. You can edit. You can right click and you can edit it. Whatever you want to edit, you can edit it, guys. So this is how we are going to. It is going to ask to insert some records. I want to insert some records. One, what is the veggie name? Potato. Okay. Cost is 30 rupees. Next, second record. Okay. Tomato. Next, the cost is 20 rupees. Okay. Next, third record. Onion. 35 rupees. Okay. So now if you close it, that's it. It will be saved. And if you execute it, you can see all these 3 records. Okay. So like this, you can create using GUI. You can insert the records using GUI. Okay. And you can pull the information using the select top 1000 rows like this. Okay. For this also, I can pull it. Top 1000 rows means first 5 records I will get. Okay. So this is a GUI way of creating the tables. Okay, so while creating the tables, or I want to create a table in a specific schema, then you have to go for script based. While scripting, you can give a specific schema so that your table will be created on the exact schema, on which table you want to, in which schema you want to create the table, and that particular schema only the table will be created. Again, nothing to worry about the schemas. See, some topics I'm not intentionally like pressing or concentrating more, means that's the developer options. Okay, so nothing to worry about those things and all. See, this SQL server is not only for DBS, guys. Actually, the whole SQL server will be used by the developers. Our part is the maintenance. Okay, this will be very helpful for the developers. Our part is maintenance. So don't think all options can be utilized by the DBA. Okay, DBA has limited what we can say. Mostly we are going to use all the features, but some features if you are not using, means those can be used by the developers and all. Okay, clear? Any questions, any doubts, please?
A small doubt, sir.
Please.
For example, we already given for the Madhavi, instead of 30 lakhs, we give only 3 lakhs.
Edit,
right,
you can do edit.
So,
you can go for edit.
okay.
Okay, alter command you can
Alter.
use by using alter command. You can go for edit. 3 lakhs to 30 lakhs, you can change it, guys.
Is it possible in a real time also, sir? Or is it...
That is possible, but we don't do it. But customer has to request us. Hey,
Okay.
Naresh or like Raghu, my employee record is wrong. Can you please change this record to this? They won't ask directly. Why? Because developers will do that activity. Developers will have enough permissions. In case if they don't have enough permissions, they will ask us to change it. So we'll simply change it, guys. Okay, now if you see, now Madhavi is getting 30 lakhs package. Okay. Okay, guys, any issues, any doubts? If no doubts, that's it. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the system databases. Very interesting topic. What master database will do, what model will do, what MSDB will do, what TempDB will do. We'll discuss all those things. When you restart the SQL server, which database will come to online first? That is an interview question. Okay, so we'll discuss about all the system databases tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll also discuss very important feature called patching, SQL server patching, how to do the patching of SQL server. So tomorrow we'll initiate it. We'll discuss about patching. Day after tomorrow, I'll show you how to do the patching and all. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Any questions you can ask me. Otherwise, we are good to close for now.
So which is the best way to practice that to create table, for example, GUI method or
Sir,
script wise, sir?
That is very like comfortable as per your option. Which one is comfortable to you? But GUI is not good method. So very basic level, like school students and all are going to use that GUI method. Better go for professional way is scripting. Okay. But whichever is comfortable to you, you can go. No one will ask you why you are creating in GUI. No, that's your wish. No issues. Okay. And again, guys, in the organization, we don't create any tables. this is, you have to know how to create the tables, but usually developers will create the tables. In case if they don't have permissions, they will ask us to execute just some scripts, creating table scripts and all. We have to take the script and we have to just check whether database name and all mentioned or not. Based on that, we have to execute the scripts, guys. That is our part in the organization in creating the tables. Clear? Any questions, any doubts? No doubts? Good to close. Chalo. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet
Okay,
at
thank you,
7
sir.
a.m. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.